words in my ear makes me forget that
What's the plan of this?
Oh man, I'm gonna get one. He's like, I want that. I really want that camera.
I tried it.
In the Honduras, y'all. Roatan Bay, Honduras. Yes. Well, good morning, you guys, from the beautiful country of Honduras. We are in Honduras. We just docked. It is March 5th, I think. Why can't I never had this together before I come on? Yep, it is March 5th. It is 7:23 a.m. My camera is fogging up because of the humidity out here, but it is beautiful. It feels like it may be like 80s. Let me show y'all the view from the ship, from my room. This is Honduras, Roatan. Roatan, R-O-A-T-A-N, Honduras. And we have an exciting day planned for today. Today we are doing an excursion that leaves at 8:30. We are going on a tour to see the monkeys, to see the sloths, to get to interact with them and take pictures with them. And I think it also includes some beach time, and it also includes a little shopping, and I feel like I'm leaving something out. But yeah, I'm really excited. This was, well, yesterday that cooking class was lit. That was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. It was like 5 hours. My only complaint about it is that we were on our feet for 2.5 hours cooking that stuff, but it was a lot of fun. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. Met a lot of people, of course, a lot of couples. I feel like it was all couples. And yeah, there were a couple girlfriends, and probably everybody else was couples. There were 13 couples, so 25, 26 people. It was a lot of fun. So today should be fun as well. We booked this tour. I booked this tour outside of Norwegian, so this is on our own. So yeah, it should be interesting. It should be good. Looking forward. There was something else. Oh, I was gonna tell y'all about this beautiful necklace. Can y'all see this beautiful necklace that I have on? This is what I want to show y'all. I ordered this. I thought it was so beautiful. I think I originally saw it on Instagram, but the girl is a African American girl, has an Etsy shop, and I ordered it from her, and I just thought it was so beautiful. Can y'all see? It's all these different jewels. My husband was like, where you get that necklace? He was like, that's so pretty. He said, that's really nice. Like, are those real rubies and jewels? And I was like, no. Y'all, I think I paid less than $20 for it. It's so pretty. So I wanted to show y'all that. And then it took weeks and weeks and weeks to get it. She didn't have any more, and she wrote me. I love good service. Y'all know that about me by now. I love, love, love good service. Just let me know something. Just communicate. She wrote me and said it's out of stock. It's going to be some weeks before it comes in. Do you want to wait, or would you like a refund? That's what I'm talking about. And so I was like, I will wait. And so I waited, and finally one day it shipped. And when I got the shipment, she also, I gotta show y'all this. She included a bonus piece of jewelry. I'm in the bathroom, and it's very dirty in here right now. I have to show y'all this though. Oh wait, hold on. Look at these beautiful earrings. She included this, I guess, as a gift for me having to wait so long. That's good business. Now see, I will order from her again and again. I love that. And I'm telling you, it was so inexpensive, but it's so pretty. So this is, since I'm here, this is what I have on. I don't usually do this, but I just have on a black sundress with this, and then I had to wear gold because of the gold in the necklace. I don't ever hardly wear gold, but yeah, I just got on a black sundress. I think I got this dress at H&M like a year or so ago, and I love it. I take it on every trip. And I just got on my black Crocs because it's all about comfort. We're gonna be out here all day again, 4 or 5 hours, y'all. We were supposed to do specialty dining last night. We were supposed to do hibachi at teppanyaki, a Japanese hibachi whatever place. I couldn't do nothing after the last, my neighbors are right here. Somebody on their balcony right there, but I couldn't do anything after yesterday's cooking class. I was done for. We didn't do anything else. So it's been a great cruise so far. I will take y'all with us to see the monkeys. Right now I'm gonna go get me a Starbucks, and I'm not really hungry. I didn't eat no dinner last night either. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just good. So I will see y'all later on. So guys, we are walking the port. Almost the worst part is walking the port. There's a Royal Caribbean ship parked, Harmony of the Seas. That's a nice ship. I've been on that one. I think there's only one after that, the Icon of the Seas. I have not been on that one. They're greatest, biggest, and greatest. But this is Honduras, guys. This is Honduras. Good morning. Say hi to the vlog. Yep. So we're about to go and meet, y'all can't even see me. We're about to go and meet whoever the driver is that's gonna take us on this excursion. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
Okay, ¿cuánta gente tienen ahí? Contame, por favor.
Guys, we are at the Monkey and Sloth Park. We're about to go see the monkeys, interact with them, hold them, and so it's a truck behind us. We had to leave our purses behind. We had to leave our purses behind, my hat behind, everything, because they say they will grab them. So, and our glasses. So that's our group. We're way behind, but we're on our way to the park. I see y'all. You see monkeys? Huh? A who? Okay. Jesus, my ankle. Look at that cute little doggy. So cute.
Y'all want to do here, y'all can find it down here in West End. Moving all the way down to West Bay is where we can find one of the second largest, most beautiful and popular beach here on the island of Roatan. At the West Bay beach, they have activities like parasailing, kayaking, jet skis, the mini sub, and also the famous glass bottom boat. If you're going here and you'll ask for something and they don't have it, it's because
We should take pictures because I can't do both.
I'm an anxious girl.
Oh, so cute.
Okay.
a little farther. You would not do anything.
Okay.
Hello? Stand a little further because you're not going to want to be far. I know. Okay.
Hi, Bird.
This is the macaw, guys. It's a macaw, right? And we're gonna let him sit on our head or arm. I'm scared for him to pull my wig off, so I'll probably do the arm, okay?
Jonathan, everyone. As y'all can see right here, this is a red scarlet macaw, national bird of the country of Honduras. Brought from the main coast of Honduras, 36 miles from here. Here in captivity on the island of Roatan, they can live 90 to 95 years of life. In the wild, unfortunately, they will only live around 30 to 35 years due to the predator that's on the main coast of Honduras.
So guys, next is the monkey farm. The monkey cage, I should say. Just them in there. We're gonna go in there and freestyle My husband is gone. He went downstairs. I don't think he's coming back because it's so unbearably hot in the sun. So I'm on my own again. Here we go.
Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna close the gate and we'll open that one. Excuse me, I'm gonna just go. Watch your step. Yes, ma'am.
Wendy, I'm okay. I just drink cold water.
So didn't get no pictures with the monkeys. They can't put them on us. They have to come on us naturally, and they didn't because they've been out in the hot sun, he said. So now we're on to the sloths, and I don't know about sloths if I'm gonna let them touch me or not.
I thought when you jumped on me now, you just gone right into the mud. You just stay there. Oh, now we're gonna get wet. She's like, I want that. I really want that camera.
I tried it.
The hands are so soft. Oh, there you go.
Turning it way over, right?
That's good.
You got the one where he hugs the hat?
Go, sir. Also in the Macaws, sometimes when you go to another country and you see how the macaw is not native to the country.
I don't want to leave y'all. They're so cute. They're so cute. I know I should take my camera out and get a picture.
Import them in boat or in plane and send them to different parts of the world. Yeah. Yeah, we're in the US now.
They're really soft though, aren't they?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Excuse me?
Tour guide.
No, don't stop him. Don't stop him. Okay. He cannot run with it because he's inside of an enclosure. Okay. Hey.
He's not happy.
They don't let you take no for an answer. Okay, so sorry.
Oh, that's a picture there.
Okay, close the gate and let us go right in. Just push it open. Oh. Yes, ma'am. Just go standing in front of the gate open.
Here we go.
Thank you. Oh, a sneaky cat. A monkey jumped on you.
Okay, excuse me.
Oh, he took your flower. He took it right out of your hand. No glasses, no flowers.
That's for me.
He gonna take it.
What's on your head?
Right now? Yeah.
The flower.
Yeah, he took it.
Yeah, mine too. He came and he was like,
Yeah.
I
wonder if he ate it.
I don't see it anywhere.
oh, the both of them
Are you in your pocket? Yeah, take it.
You got scared.
if they come on you, don't be scared, okay?
I got scared because I didn't know what to do. I'm just see if there's any scratch on me because I think it scratched me. It scratched me.
In your hair?
No, on my shoulder.
Oh, in your shoulder.
Hello.
They don't like us.
Did he land on you yet?
You have to stand at the edge.
I have to across my shoulders. That's it. He didn't. You had a good one, yeah.
So cute. There.
Oh, so
It's
cute.
gonna scratch my knee.
Oh my God, they're getting
I know he's eating.
Osito.
How does he know who's who?
There's your Valerie.
You want to put him in your hair?
It's so bad for Lolo. He's sad.
Why is he out?
He's only out for a week. At the end of the week, we're gonna put him inside.
Lolo's like, let me in.
He's on here for rescue. So what we do?
Did he land on you yet?
No.
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 We don't want to keep him here for the rest of the night. So they get to go down.
You?
Just ran across my shoulder. That was it. He didn't bother to stop.
Because if we just keep him in a
Yeah, same. I think I had that too.
just bring in the food for him, they will not be able to get back in for it.
Are they kissing?
That's the rescue center here that we have.
Playing any football today?
Not much action.
Where'd that one come from?
Piquito.
It's just like, get away from
No monkey.
Monkey.
So cute. They're so cute, but we're not getting much action. They staying away from us.
Oh my god.
Yes. Very hot, very, very moving.
There you go.
He's trying to figure out how he's gonna get that hat.
Yeah.
I mean, watching your hair.
Let me see if I come over here. Uh-oh, sorry. Oh, what was that? Oh.
Still there.
Oh, so cute.
I'm here.
Oh, there's nothing down there. I'm sorry.
Everyone, the monkeys though, they're a little tired from the heat, so they're barely moving around. Normally they'd be moving very hot.
So precious.
Monday?
You found a good spot. You found a good spot.
Let me group them.
He's trying.
Oh my God.
He's fine.
Sorry?
He's okay.
Take your wife.
Funky.
Yeah, he's only 2 years old.
Oh, baby.
He's in Wales.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he's the oldest beyond the youngest. His name is Gohan. Bosito. Bosito.
He's trying to take you.
Do you want to share the love with that way? I can see if I can get a little love. Oh,
Oh, you don't like my love? Oh.
You want him out?
He's peeping.
this is fine.
That's so funny. He's so funny.
Definitely gained a friend.
Find a
Definitely.
sweet spot.
What are you doing?
And you had your chance. Don't be running around now.
Go, go, go. Go, go. He comes to you. Come here, please. Good boy.
Holy.
Good boy.
The one that made out with the English woman, her shirt is like somewhat brown now.
I saw that.
Okay.
Did I get from
Onto the sloths. Whew. My hair is soaking wet.
What's up? Come.
These ones started growling. No wonder they're in a
Okay, that was fun. That was fun. Not as much interaction as I would have liked, but it was fun nevertheless. That's the closest I've ever come to monkeys, and I've always loved them. So.
They eat, sleep, do everything on the tree except for one thing. Use the restroom. But to use the restroom, they have dumps the tree, fill the ground, and they poop. And the poop that they have an hour. Because they get 5 minutes to sleep, then way back and continue pooping.
The slot, I'm ready for the slot. You guys can make yourself on the way down, alright?
Does it not get disturbed when you're moving him around here?
too.
Oh, thank you. He's doing video.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Ready? Okay, my turn. Oh, sorry.
Thank you so much. Thank you too. Okay. You enjoying yourself?
Now you at work.
I can't tell. I'm gonna tell on you.
Don't make my boss man see that. He will fire me.
Okay. You didn't get my magnet?
Oh, I didn't know you wanted.
I said I wanted.
What you talking about?
So guys, this is part of the tour. We are now at I think a chocolate factory where they make a chocolate. We're gonna get some. Oh, okay, thank you. We're gonna get some chocolate samples and stuff. Huh?
Willy Wonka's waiting for you.
Okay. Willy Wonka's waiting.
50% of the cocoa beans, cocoa butter, taste this. You can smell it, smell like chocolate. And this is a wonderful product for your skin and your face. And this is for
Let me get over here in this corner.
And other 50% of the cocoa beans, it's cocoa powder. This is for make the dark and the milk chocolate. Inside the cocoa beans, we have this. This is pure cocoa, okay? This is not sweetened absolutely. We use the little parts to make cacao nibs. This is a good topping for ice cream, yogurt, or cakes. And we use the shell for making tea. The tea of cocoa is so delicious and it's so good for relax your body. A long time ago, I am...
So guys, this here, peanut banana milk chocolate. Let me go out so y'all can see. Banana inside, so good. So guys, now we're on our way to this rum factory, rum cake, to sample rum cake and rum.
You gotta get there now.
So I found out it is 82 degrees here, but they lied. With the humidity, it feels like 102. I promise you. It's so hot. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Where?
Right there. She giving it out right
Mango, cream, chocolate, spices. different flavors.
Coconut, pineapple, 151, banana, cinnamon spice, island original.
Banana here.
Pineapple's really good.
Hi guys, we also have some rum over here.
Oh, that is so good. Oh my God. Oh my, it does. I mean, not gonna lie. I didn't even think of it until you said that, but it's very good. But it's cooked, so this can't make you feel nothing from the rum, right?
The rum is not cooked off.
Oh, it's not.
I throw a rum butter glaze over it.
Oh, okay. Let me taste it.
It's so good. So it's not cooked off. Oh.
All right, I'm going to try.
Still good.
Oh, sorry.
You make these?
Yes, sir.
It's so good. Say it again.
Their label.
Put your big
Oh, my fault.
Pardon?
Put your big toe in there, didn't you?
Oh, it's so good, y'all. Oh my gosh.
Man, that's good.
These are all the flavors.
Taste?
The rum? Yes, you can.
Some of them you can taste.
I tasted in that.
Pineapple, the coconut, the banana also.
That banana I've tasted.
Cinnamon.
It's so good. I had said yeah, but she didn't. They're too expensive.
What kind of rum is that?
It's just like a Baileys or a rum tonic.
Where is that?
Oh yeah? Morning.
Left dog, I need to go buy
Very expensive. A large, $15. Like what? Guys, we are walking now on our way to the beach. I think the last stop of this tour will be here for an hour and a half, 2 hours, or however long the group wants to stay. A lot of walking on this tour. Let's see the water in the distance. Well, not really, but it's there. We are on the west end of Honduras. I think he said it's the most affluent part of the island. Okay.
Yes, sir. Like I say, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door, but I still can knock some more. Ooh girl, this is the reason you look wonderful tonight. How we all, what you just don't realize, how much, girl, I love you.
I go hard at too. What's the jalapenos? You don't have money. I got all kind of.
It's time to go home now. I gotta give it here. Goes in my ear, makes me forget that I'm
so inviting. Oh my gosh. The island of Roatan, Roatan Bay. We're on the west side of the island. It's beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful. Let's see if I can get some pictures. I messed up your eye. Your eyes. Okay guys, so we are about to leave the beach. What was your, how would you rate this this tour? Because this is the last stop. Well, you didn't participate in all of it, so it's hard, but how would you rate it?
I rated it an 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, I just think going to see the monkeys was a little rough for me. But other than that, I enjoyed it. You know, I enjoyed just touring around. It would have been a 10 out of 10 if it wouldn't have been so much work to go see the monkeys.
Right.
So other than that, it was good.
Yeah, agreed. It was very good. It was very good, but yeah, the activity level was probably, I would say, a 3 out of 5. It was, you had to be able to walk up. You had to be able to walk a lot. And that's the thing with these tours, a lot of times there's a lot of walking. And so to go and see the monkeys, you had to do all these steps and, you know, so I did it, but he wasn't able to do it. But it's been a very good tour. So for all of this, we got to, what was the first thing we did? The monkeys, the sloths?
Yeah.
Was that the first thing? We went to see the monkeys. We saw the sloths. We got to take pictures with all of them and the macaws. And then we went to the chocolate factory and got to sample chocolates and buy chocolates. And then we went to the rum factory. We got to sample rum cake and rum. And then, am I leaving anything out besides the beach?
That's it.
And then we came to the beach, and we had 1.5 to 2 hours at the beach. And the thing I loved about this tour is that with the monkeys and the sloths, you took your own pictures, so you ain't had to buy no pictures from the venue, you know. I love that, but you needed somebody to be able to take your pictures. So that was the only thing, I mean, that was the thing that I loved, I think, the most, is that you were able to take your own pictures and not have to buy nothing. And so y'all, for all those things, monkeys, sloths, macaws, interacting with all of them, your transportation, chocolate factory, rum factory, and beach, which this beach has, like I told y'all, it has bar, it has restaurant, it has, if you wanted to do snorkeling, scuba diving, whatever, you could have done that. But anyway, so for all 4 of those activities, $60 a person.
Right, that wasn't bad.
$60 a person. So you have to just do your research. This, like I said, this tour was not through Norwegian. I did this on my own and booked it through TripAdvisor, which turned out to be with Viator. So yeah, a lot of times, sometimes if your cruise don't have the, a lot of time if your cruise don't have the excursions that you want, you can book them on your own, and that's what we did. So it was good. So we are now on our way back to the ship. I don't know what else is popping off tonight. Is we gonna go out tonight or we in?
I don't know. You know how we do.
We're gonna go out tonight. We're gonna, cause last night didn't do nothing. So today, I don't feel as exhausted today as I was yesterday. So we're gonna do some stuff on the ship this evening. And of course, I'm gonna take y'all with me. So guys, we're getting ready to go to dinner. It is 4:45. And yeah, We're getting an early start tonight because we be late for everything. Taste. And then across from that is the other restaurant called Saber. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Here we go. We're very early. Look at us, so early we can get a window seat. Never happens. Wow.
First time having
we never are early enough for this. Thank you.
That's the advantage if you are early.
Nice. Thank you.
Are we moving?
We got it. Oh, we're moving too. So it must be 5. No, it's not even 5. And they're moving? Okay. They're moving early, right?
Yeah. Because I think
is everybody on? Do they know? Everybody's on? Okay.
Because all aboard is 4:30, maybe before 4:30, all passengers already on board.
Oh, okay.
That's why we make
so then they take off. Okay.
Here's our menu for this evening.
Thank you. So y'all, it's all aboard. Everybody's on the ship, and so they're taking off early.
Enjoy your dinner.
Okay. Thank you. I'm so excited. We haven't really had no good food since I'm so close. Hold on. So we haven't really had any real good food since we've been on the ship. Last night we didn't even eat. I didn't.
I ate some garbage.
And the first night wasn't all that. But tonight I'm looking for, you see anything good on there? Looking for good things. But y'all, we so early that we got a table by the window. Look. This is so nice. We usually see nobody's in here yet, but they're gonna be in here and they're gonna be piling in a minute. You mark my words. So let's see what they have on the menu for tonight. See, they got pot stickers, one of my faves. Okay. Hi.
Water for your dessert, madam?
Sure, yes, thank you. I didn't even take my medicine. So y'all, I told y'all, there's hardly nobody in here. So we are learning. It's still true. The early bird catches the worm, okay? So, like I say, the restaurant really don't open until 5, but they're open before 5 to let people in. And we are learning from restaurants to excursions to all the lines that we have been in. You got to be on the mark, set, go. Because people here on these trips, let me stop. Let me just not even say it because I don't. Guys, this is the second. I ordered 2 appetizers. The dumplings were delicious. And this is the Asian noodle salad.
No, we're fine.
No, we're good. Thank you. Okay, so let's try the noodle salad. You like it? It has noodles, shrimp, and chicken.
Remember the one ship they had?
That's good.
Remember one ship we went on? That lobster tail, remember that?
Royal Caribbean?
Yeah, there was lobster tail we had.
Royal Caribbean?
Wasn't it like Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or something?
I don't know, but Royal Caribbean serves lobster tail. This is really good. It's just enough. Chicken cordon bleu.
It's good.
Is it good? See. Looks really good. It's got potato salad up under there.
It's real good.
It look good.
Lots of flavor. I just put mashed potatoes up under there.
That's potato salad.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Still busy.
Is it?
I think it's like 9:30.
They didn't say nothing about Tom changing it.
No, that's not crazy. Well, let's just name it.
Maybe sit for half an hour.
Where's the stage? Yes.
He's on a mission there.
Yeah. That's he knows. He knows you gotta be.
That's right. You gotta. You want to find your spot. You
That's
gotta be on a
right.
mission.
That's why we here early.
Yep, that's fine with me. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We'll sit in the
No, we're gonna sit on the end.
I'm going to show you the famous 4-card trick, and this is the trick where all you have to do is follow my instructions, okay? You have to do everything I do. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to make every move I make. Follow every single gesture I make, you make. For example, if I shake my left hand, you also shake your left hand. Yes, he's a